The Harley-Davidson Sportster 1200 will return in the form of the SWM Stormbreaker Custom V 1200. Stormbreaker is a clone of the now discontinued Harley-Davidson Sportster 1200. When viewed from its shape, the new SWM Stormbreaker Custom V 1200 appears for the first time. With the factory-type designation XY1200B, SWM Stormbreaker Custom V 1200 when viewed looks more like a helicopter than a Sportster. Because it has high handlebars and a large front wheel, the new model is reminiscent of Harley-Davidson's Softail model. But only the front part, because at the rear there are still two spring supports. The SWM Stormbreaker Custom V 1200 uses a classically built air-cooled V-twin engine with only 2 valves per cylinder and a bumper valve drive that produces 61 horsepower, 45 kilowatts, at 5,750 RPM. The SWM Stormbreaker Custom V 1200 has a maximum torque of 90 Nm at 3,250 RPM. With 5 speeds and final drive via timing belt, it runs quietly and cleanly. At least 165 km/h top speed was recorded for the SWM Stormbreaker. The SWM Stormbreaker Custom V 1200 has wheels that measure 130/90-16 at the front and 150/80-16 at the rear with a standard wheelbase. 1,495 mm, lowrider seat height, 710 mm. It perfectly matches the shape of the telescopic fork, is a sturdy 49er. Other highlights of the SWM Stormbreaker Custom V 1200 are the tank and LED headlight, which fit on a more modern bare bike. For the chassis, the SWM Stormbreaker Custom V 1200 uses tubular steel with 2 spring struts and telescopic forks to the wheels and brakes. The original Harley-Davidson design is adopted for the SWM Custom V 1200 Stormbreaker. For example, with milled areas on the black cast aluminum wheels or the shape of the brake discs and brake calipers. ABS is a prerequisite for new registrations in Europe and is present. The sensor ring can be seen on the brake disc.